Welcome back, everybody. Adam Solowitz here. And for my new subscribers, welcome to the channel. Today, we're going to talk about this guy, an avocado, and how to cut it easily and without slicing your hand open. This episode goes out to my neighbor, Amber, who recently told me a couple years ago she was cutting an avocado and ended up getting 14 stitches. So this one's for you. I'm going to show you an easy way to cut the avocado and make it a little bit more manageable and that you won't get hurt. So let's get to this. So right here we have a beautiful Haas avocado that I'm going to be showing you how to cut. And we're going to start out placing the avocado down on the cutting board, of course, and we're going to cut around it. So with your knife, you're going to want to make an incision lengthwise, just like so, and just go right in and just turn the avocado using the palm of your hand until you get about halfway. And continue, and then keep going, making sure to use the palm of your hand. And this way, you're not gonna take your hand off. And that's it until you go all the way around. Now, we're gonna take the avocado, we're just gonna crack that sucker in half. And a little twist. Boom. Beautiful. All right. Now that we have the avocado split in half, we're gonna remove the pit. I'm gonna use a towel to hold the avocado, just in case. You never know if I may miss. Could hit my hand. Just a little barrier safety protection right there. So knife, pit, and just lightly tap in the center and twist. Done. Okay, now that we have the seed out, we're gonna take the meat out of the skin, and I like to use a spoon. So all you have to do is just like so. You're basically spooning it right out. And voila. Look at that. Beautiful. And then we'll take the stem off, just like so. Now that you have your avocado out, you can basically do what you want with it. So you can slice it, like so. Very nice. And you can dice it. Another trick is you can leave the skin on, instead of using the spoon, just cut it in half, like so, peel it, voila. All right, and that's how you cut an avocado easy and safely. Again, my name is Adam Solowitz. Please hit the like button, please subscribe because it helps me out. And eat well.